The 52-inch Kemper II is an industrial-style ceiling fan with a slick liquid nickel housing. The fan is rated for indoor use only and is remote control operated. The 52-inch blade span is perfectly suited for large rooms that are between 12 feet by 12 feet and 18 feet by 18 feet. The fan can be installed on regular ceilings or ceilings with a maximum slope of 18 degrees. Use the menu to skip ahead or continue watching for the complete installation guide. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that has 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a step ladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. Begin by turning power off at the breaker. On the motor assembly, pick a side of the reversible blade to face downward and slide it into one of the slots. Insert 3 blade attachment screws halfway, then tighten all screws securely. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. You can now prepare the motor for mounting. On the canopy assembly, twist off the bottom canopy cover. Unscrew the non-slotted mounting bracket screw. Loosen the remaining slotted screw. Twist and remove the hanger bracket. On the hanger ball down rod assembly, loosen the set screw and lower the ball off the down rod. Remove the cross pin. On the fan motor assembly, remove the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the 2 collar set screws. Guide the motor wires through the down rod and insert it into the collar. Align the holes, then insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Tighten the 2 collar set screws. Place the coupling cover, and canopy over the down rod. Reinstall the hanger ball, being sure to insert the cross pin and tighten the set screw against the side of the down rod. At the ceiling box, remove the 2 screws. Bring the hanger bracket up to the box and align it over the holes. Insert and tighten both screws securely. Carefully bring the fan motor up to the box and place the hanger ball into the hanger bracket. Turn the motor until the groove in the ball aligns with the tab on the bracket. Now you can make the electrical connections. Bring the receiver up to the ceiling box and slide it into the hanger bracket with the flat side facing up. Use a wire nut to combine the ground wires from the ceiling box, down rod, and hanger bracket together. Combine the neutral wire from the box with the white wire from the receiver labeled AC in N. Combine the hot wire from the box with the black wire from the receiver labeled AC in L. Combine the white wire from the fan with the white wire from the receiver labeled 2 motor N. Combine the black wire from the fan with the black wire from the receiver labeled 2 motor L. Combine the blue wire from the fan with the blue wire from the receiver. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place, and tuck around the bracket. Align and twist the canopy over the loose screw, then insert the removed canopy screw and tighten both screws securely. If your screwdriver is too long, you can use a drill bit to tighten the screws. Align and twist the canopy cover over the screws. The fan is properly mounted, and the fan housing can now be installed. On the motor's mounting ring, remove one of the screws, and loosen the remaining screws. Bring the motor housing up to the fan, and align and turn over the loose screws. Insert the removed screw, and tighten all screws securely. Remove all 3 decorative cover screws from the motor housing. Bring the decorative cover up to the fan and align with the holes on the motor housing. Insert and tighten the 3 removed screws. Power can now be restored at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. To avoid interference from other fans or devices, the remote and receiver frequencies can be changed. Change the dip switch code in the battery compartment of the remote and in the receiver to create a new matching frequency. The dip switch codes must match, or the fan will not function. To begin using the fan, install the included battery for the remote. The fan speed buttons allow you to set the fan speed. The fan can be set to high speed, medium speed, low speed, and off. If you install a universal light kit, you can use the light button to dim or toggle the light. With the fan turned off, you can use the reverse switch to change the direction of the blade rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise to push air downward and produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and assistance, please call the customer service number in your owner's manual.